I'm absolutely packed. So that's the initial inside tent all put up, the fly net. That was really easy to do. Right, let's get the rain cover over. This isn't going to be easy to get on, is it? And then you do that roll 4. Oh, they're quite hard to get on. Do you know, because it's a brand new tent. Oh. And then once you've got all them on, you basically just use that to pull and then tighten the full thing up. Just like that. Sorry about the wind noise. I forgot to bring the mics, and I didn't know there was a storm forecast for where I've been. It's really warm now, so it looks deceiving, but it's going to get really windy. The best way to put these on is just do a simple slip knot. It's the easiest way. Got my air mat. Extra jacket in case it gets a bit nippy. Van Gogh sleeping bag. So I'm just going to open these windows to let a little bit of light in. Don't be darkened in, you do it. Let there be light! I'll get this flap out of the way. Shoes off inside the house, boy. So this I seen, and I really wanted to get a full-size single bed. Check that out. Right, we'll get these end bits on. Flip that on there. Oh. Jesus Christ. I have a funny feeling this is going to be harder. Yep. Because it's brand new, it hasn't been slept on. The fabric's really tight. Oh, come on. Ah. Oh my God. Whew. Come on, baby. Come on. Nearly there. Nearly there. Ah. That was way harder than it was meant to be. Look at that, it's like a brand new guitar string. Woo! Right, let's get the sleeping mat down. Look at that, how fitting, blue and blue, didn't even plan that. I got this little gadget off Temu, and I love it. I've been doing my daughter's editing with it. This should blow this up quite fast. I will be snug as a bug tonight. And then what I'll do for the pillow, I'll just stuff that with one of my tops or coats that I'm not using, and that'll be comfortable enough. Right, that's the bed all set up. What next? Setting all that up was thirsty work. Cheers, guys. I really do like this tent. Oh, this is so relaxing. These are really handy little things, these. So you put them around the stove, it's like a wind breaker. The wind's died down now a lot, which is good because I'm just about to start a campfire. But yeah, I really wanted to test this tent out, and I'm really impressed. So cosy. It gives you that little cosy cottagey feel. I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna have a nice campfire, cook some nice food. Is there anything better than a campfire while having a beer? I don't know, you tell me. The landowner, Matt, he came out, gave me a good walk round, showed me all over, showed me the plans for the land, and what an absolutely fantastic guy he is. Unbelievable bloke. Matt, if you're watching, which I know you are, thank you, mate. You really are a legend. You and your partner. I'm sorry I can't remember your partner's name. I told you, didn't I, that I'm awful for remembering names. But it's unreal. It's about a 30-minute drive. You don't get this on your front doorstep. Yeah, over the moon. goodness gracious me. Oh, couple more seconds, not long. So what we're doing now, we're just toasting the bread in the steak juices. Oh yeah, it's done. Same with the next piece. Steak juices, a little bit of butter in the pan. I'm going to put the steak back in the pan on a low heat, very, very low heat. We don't want to cook that steak anymore. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh, so chili, gelatinous. Wait, I'm going to snap it up actually. Oh, wow. My mouth is watering. So what I'll do to make that cheese a little bit faster, I'll turn the heat up and add a tiny drop of water, and then just fold a bit of tin foil and then put that over, and that will cause steam to melt all the cheese. So the cheese now should be melted. Have a look. Oh yeah. Cheese is melted. Time to put the onions on. Right, now the potatoes. Wow. Oh my God. The smell. Right, let's cut it in half. Wow. So some onions. Got some of them titties left over for the side. I've done way too many onions, but them potatoes with the onions. Let's try the Philly cheese. That stick just falls apart. Oh. Well, that's tea all sorted. That was absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to chill now in front of the fire for a bit, warm up because it's a little bit nippy. And I think I'll have a hot drink. Yeah. What a night. What a night. Oh. Good morning, guys. What a fantastic sleep. It's just after 6 in the morning. It's a little bit nippy. Let's see if I can get the fire stoked. I'm going to use this handy bit of kit that I got off Temu, the one that I used to blow up the airbed. Really does come in handy, this. So while I'm cooking brekkie, I'd like to take this chance to say a massive thank you to everyone who's subscribed so far to the channel. These are absolute legends. And to the people that like the videos, comment, what can I say? I really do appreciate it. It does not go unnoticed. Especially for a new channel like myself, who's just trying to get out there and inspire others to do it. You don't need the best knowledge. You don't need the best equipment. All you need is the love and passion for getting out. Completely random, no planning, just getting up and executing. I mean, look at me. This was planned at the drop of a hat and I've had a fantastic night. I'm cooking up a little bit of brekkie now. I had an unbelievable bit of food last night. A cheap gas stove, a couple of bits and bobs. You know what I mean? You don't need a nice fancy tent. You can get yourself a nice cheap tent. You don't need all of the best equipment. But yeah, a massive thank you, guys. I popped the yolk, baby. Right, we're going with the sausage. Lay the foundations correct. Bacon. Oh, I love crispy bacon. Wow. And then our egg. And I have forgot to bring sauces, so we'll have to do without. Look at that. Oh. Oh, them sausages are lovely. And pork and apple sausages are gorgeous. That little bit of apple just gives it a little bit of sweetness. Oh, that is gorgeous. Well, that's me all packed away. Another camp done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.